In a major political move, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has officially proposed Atishi as his successor. The announcement came after a key discussion with AAP MLAs at the Chief Minister's residence. Atishi, currently serving as Delhi's Education, Finance and Law Minister, is set to become Delhi's interim Chief Minister for the next 5 months until the upcoming assembly elections. This decision follows Kejriwal's recent release from jail and his move to step down temporarily. Atishi's appointment marks a historical moment as she will be the third woman to assume the role of Delhi Chief Minister, following Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit. Sushma Swaraj was the first female Chief Minister of Delhi, although her tenure was brief. She served in the office for 52 days from 12 October 1998 to 3 December 1998. She was a prominent leader of the BJP and went on to hold various key positions in the Indian government, including External Affairs Minister. Known for her exceptional oratory skills and strong leadership, Swaraj was a highly respected figure in Indian politics. Sheila Dikshit, on the other hand, holds the record for the longest-serving Chief Minister of Delhi with a remarkable 15-year tenure from 1998 to 2013. Under her leadership, Delhi witnessed significant transformations in infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Dikshit was also the longest-serving female Chief Minister of any Indian state. Her political career spanned over 4 decades, during which she held various positions, including Governor of Kerala and Member of Parliament. She also represented India at the United Nations Commission on Status of Women for 5 years. Arvind Kejriwal took everyone by surprise on Sunday by announcing that he would resign from the post of Chief Minister in 2 days and said he would sit on the CM seat again after the people of Delhi give him a certificate of honesty in the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. Kejriwal's resignation comes in the wake of his and Sisodia's arrests related to the alleged Delhi excise policy scam. In the current political landscape, Atishi's appointment as Delhi Chief Minister is notable as she joins Mamata Banerjee, the only other woman Chief Minister in India today.